The fact that matter can clump relies on the fact that there's mass. The masses that we see are essential to the nature of matter as we know it.
In order to solve this puzzle, to connect the discoveries of the Standard Model with the world we see around us, scientists had to come up with a new theory.
The best theory we have at the moment for the origin of mass, for what makes stuff stuff, is called the Higgs mechanism. And the Higgs mechanism works by filling the universe with a thing. It's almost like treacle. By the universe, I don't just mean the void between the stars and the planets. I mean the room in front of you. Some particles move through the Higgs field and talk to the Higgs field and slow down. And they're the heavy particles, so all the particles that make up your body are heavy because they talk into the Higgs field. Some other particles, like particles of light, photons, don't talk to the Higgs at all and move through at the speed of light.
The Higgs field is the missing piece in the Standard Model. It can explain how we can have a world of solid objects from particles that appear to have no mass.
The Higgs brings simplicity and beauty to a nature which looks too complicated. It introduces a kind of symmetry and a kind of beauty to nature which gives us an understanding of one of the most puzzling features of the Standard Model.
Lederman now believes that finding the Higgs is the key to his ultimate goal, a complete theory of how the universe works.
If, in fact, we can get over the Higgs particle, it may be that we can go a long way towards the horizon of a total understanding.
To prove the existence of the Higgs field, scientists have to find the particle linked with it. Yet in the 40 years since it was first thought of, no one has. And none have tried harder than Lederman. Now his hopes of ever seeing this particle lie elsewhere. With the LHC.
This is like a huge new microscope that will bring us visibility to a different world. It would be a tremendous discovery.
The LHC will generate 7 times the energy of any previous collider. By doing so, it will take us closer to the Big Bang than we have ever been before.
Will we find the Higgs particle at the LHC? That, of course, is the question. And the answer is, science is what we do when we don't know what we're doing. And one reason to look for this thing is to see whether we find it or not. So I don't know whether we will find it or not.
This is the other possibility, that this elusive particle, one that scientists have been searching 40 years for, simply doesn't exist.
It can be argued that the most interesting discovery would be that we cannot find the Higgs, proving practically that it isn't there. That would mean that we really haven't understood something That's a very good scene for science. Revolutions sometimes come from the fact that you hit a wall and you realize that you truly haven't understood anything.
If the Higgs doesn't turn up, then the LHC has got so much energy that it has to uncover the origin of mass one way or the other.
Whatever it is that gives substance to both ourselves and the world around us, the LHC promises to give us the answer. And with that, we will be one step closer to understanding how our universe evolved out of the first moment of time.
It may be there is no such thing as a theory of everything, but it may also be that there is such a thing, and we're very close to it at the moment. It might be within our grasp, and that's what I hope. You know, I hope that my generation is the generation that finds that theory.